This is the brand new CENTRiC L3 that was released in India yesterday, and we're gonna do an unboxing of this device for you guys and have a first look. So let's get started. So that's the box. It's a fairly large box. That's the mobile phone with the black version as well. So you see a MediaTek 1.3 GHz chipset, your fingerprint sensor, the micro SD card can expand to max of 256 GB, supports 4G VO LTE, and then some of the other specs over here, like it has a 5-inch screen, HD resolution screen, 2.5D curved glass, 4G, 13MP plus 5MP, 3050 mAh battery. And although it's the MRP is 8699, you'll get it for about 6750. And there you go. So on top we have the phone, of course. When you go further inside, let's take this thing off. Well, you should have the power brick here, 1500 milliampere power brick, micro USB cable, and an entry-level set of earphones. Here, what do you get? You should get, I think, some back cover or sort. So you get some warranty card, that's documentation warranty card, quick start guide. You also have this TPU back cover right there. There you go, that's the phone. And let's just take off this plastic, and part of plastic is here as well. You also get a screen guard. It's a plastic screen guard, not a glass, not a tempered glass. So that is the 5-inch screen, HD resolution. It's a plastic body, and we have the black model. Yes, it's quite a glossy backside. I assume it'll attract a fair bit of fingerprint, the CENTRiC logo there, and the front side is also glossy. You have the 5MP front camera there. Shortcut key is gonna be here, nothing much. Your speaker grills, and then power button, volume rocker, micro USB port, your 3.5mm jack, 13MP back camera, and we have another plastic here. Let's just remove this. You also have an LED flash, and the logo there, the antenna aligns. Yeah, overall it feels nice. Obviously it's a 5-inch device, so it's easier to hold, but it's all plastic, note that. There is the display. It's an HD display. It's fairly bright, although not the crispest, of course. And we have the app dryer right here. You see it's kind of smooth. It also has a new plastic here, so it's kind of slightly sticky at first, but once you start using it, will become very smooth. So long press here, and you can add those widgets and stuff. Typical Android UI, and I suppose it has a legacy Android skin. So we can go here and you can check out its Android 7.0 CENTRiC L3. What else we have? We can go here, Dura speed. Also you have memory, average 837 MB out of 2 GB or 1.9 GB is used, which is decent, but we haven't even started using the device, mind you. 152 MB of 10.76 GB is used. It's a 16 GB internal storage, but of course supports micro SD card. And then you have the typical Google Android apps like your Gmail, Maps, and Drives and whatnot. You also get Excel. Cool. I think that's Microsoft Excel anyway. So you get some third-party apps as well, like that Excel, and then this Top Doctors Online. I have no idea why it's there, but that might prove helpful. But if it's not, you've just seen that you can go on and uninstall those. You also have SwiftKey, you have Microsoft Word, and some of the other things. Quickly check out the camera. 13MP camera, not the fastest in the world, definitely. In fact, slightly on the slower side than I would have liked. Yeah, that's the flash, and that's the front camera. 5MP front camera, it's quite trivial, I would say. Fixed focus. Yeah, you have this beauty mode here if you'd need that ever. And then you also have some settings there. Again, you can see legacy Android UI, very familiar. And then that's the back camera where you can go to panorama and beauty mode as well there. And here you'll find the settings also. The max video recording is 720p as far as I know, although you would not see here. So that was, guys, a very quick look at the brand new CENTRiC L3. We'll come back with the full review. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by clicking the button right there in the middle. And do not forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever we publish new content and the full review of this. Thank you.